what how different, the basic idea about different chambers, the arteries. sorry. So systemic. I guess someone is. Everyone mute yourself.
ম্যাম আওয়াজের ইকো হচ্ছে বিশাল। সাউন্ড করছে ম্যাম।
সেটাই তো আমি দেখার চেষ্টা করছি যে who is there. Hello.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Everyone mute yourself. Hello. हेलो।
Yes, ma'am.
पता नहीं कैसे कैसे जब म्यूट करूँ तो अनम्यूट हो जाता है, अनम्यूट करूँ तो म्यूट हो रहा है, पता नहीं ये लैपटॉप की गया। लॉकडाउन खत्म होने ही तक मुझे एक लैपटॉप की जरूरत होगी, एटलीस्ट इसकी मतलब थोड़ी सी ठीक करानी होगी। एनीवे, so we have studied about the position of the valves, basic idea about the four chambers, how they connected and what is the function of each of the chambers. So four chambers, each one is having
Hello, ma'am.
having well related, but
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
প্রত্যেকটা চেম্বারের কিন্তু সেপারেট ফাংশনস আছে। ইটস নট লাইক one function can be replaced by the other, মানে one chamber's function can be replaced by the other, that's not the thing. Okay, so every chamber important. हाँ बोलो।
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
बोला कि हर चेंबर यूनिक होती है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई एक चेंबर को छोड़ दो तो उसकी जरूरत नहीं है। एवरी ऑल द फंक्शंस आर इंटर रिलेटेड ऑफ कोर्स, ultimately everyone doing the overall same function, everyone contributing to the same function, but everyone having separate functions. Okay, so and the overall thing, that is the main function of heart, to pump blood to each and every part of body and then again get back all the blood from all over body. That is done, all these things are done in a cyclic parameter. Okay, it is done in a very cyclic way, and that cycle which involves certain events going on the inside the heart, that we call cardiac cycle. So how much time is taken to complete the whole cycle? So we take some, okay, so you will get a total of 0.8 second. Huh? So 0.8 second is the ultimate thing within which all the events of the four chambers will be completed. So now let me go to the previous thing. So if you see the previous thing, previous slide, if we go, so we find that there are 4 chambers. So let us start with the atrial chambers. So before that, we need to know 2 terms, and these 2 terms will be very importantly required for the last thing, that is, so acha, let me come to this. So the among these 8 seconds, there are different types of atrial events which will be completed within those 2 separate cycles go on. One is the atrial cycle, the other one is a ventricular cycle. That is, atrial cycle যখন চলছে, simultaneously ventricular cycleটাও তখন চলছে. So for that we get 2 terms. So what we need to know 2 terms. তো এই দুটো টার্ম আমাদের কি জানা দরকার? So for cardiac events we need to know 2 terms. One is that we call systole, and the other one is called diastole. Okay, systole means contraction and diastole means relaxation. Okay, so separately atria and ventricles, they undergo systole and diastole condition. That means when the atria, usually when the atria are in the, so atrial systole means when both the atria are contracting, and ventricular systole means where both the ventricles are contracting. Similarly, when both the atria are relaxed, so that we call atrial diastole. When both the ventricles are relaxed, we call it as ventricular diastole. Now, what is the purpose of the systole and diastole? That during systole, whenever any chamber is in the systolic condition, that is whether it is atria or ventricle, during systole, that particular chamber will contract and it will expel blood. It is true for all the 4 chambers. So whenever any chamber is in the systole condition, systolic condition, that time that chamber will expel or release or remove blood. Okay, and when any chamber is in the diastole condition, it will receive blood. Clear holo?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So during systole, when the chamber is contracting, so that means it is squeezing out blood. Okay, it is removing or releasing or expelling blood. Bloodটা বাইরে বের করে দিচ্ছে. And during diastole, it is receiving blood. Okay, so when the atria are in the systole condition, so both the atria, they pump, actually they contract and they expel their blood. তাহলে atria থেকে ব্লাডটা কোথায় যাবে? বলো, anyone? During atrial systole, from the atria, আমি বললাম যে during atrial systole, so blood will be pumped out of the atria. So from both the atria, where the blood will go?
Ma'am, ventricle.
হ্যাঁ, now it will start. এবার আমাদেরকে ওই আগের বারের ছবিটা দেখতে হবে। এইবার এই যে ছবিটা, তোমরা ভালো করে দেখতে পাচ্ছ ছবিটা? এভরিওয়ান?
Yes, ma'am, দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, so now see the figure very minutely. Now just start with the atrial systole. Okay, so we are first starting with the atrial systole. Now see, just before the atrial systole, one more thing, every alternative option thing is systole and diastole for any chamber, that will come in every alternative way. মানে এরকম নয় যে there are few systoles then few diastoles, বা এরকম irrelevant নয়. Every systole is followed by a diastole, every diastole is followed by a systole. তো একটা সিস্টোলের আগে একটা ডায়াস্টোল থাকবে, পরে একটা ডায়াস্টোল থাকবে। সিমিলারলি একটা ডায়াস্টোলের আগে একটা সিস্টোল থাকবে, পরে একটা সিস্টোল থাকবে। ওকে, So now let's consider atrial systole. So what will happen? Now, just before the atrial systole, both the atria were in diastole condition, right? Ki hai ki na?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So both the atria were in diastole. So they had, during diastole, they had received blood. From which part? ছবিটা ভালো করে দেখো. The right atrium received blood from where? It received blood from superior vena cava, which brought blood from the upper part of the body. It received blood from inferior vena cava, which brought blood from lower part of our body, and it also received blood from coronary sinus, from the heart. So from all part of your body, all the blood is coming to the, except lungs, all the entire systemic circulation is sending blood, and it is taken up by the right atrium. Okay. Similarly, the left atrium had received blood from the lungs, right? Now, when
Yes,
any
ma'am.
chamber is filled with blood, so automatically inside the blood, এইখানে একটা জিনিস আছে, for entire cardiac cycle we need to know a very important thing. তোমরা বয়েলস ল পড়েছিলে?
Yes, ma'am. পড়েছিলাম, ভুলে গেছি।
তো যে কোনো লতে প্রেসার আর ভলিউমের রিলেশন কি?
ম্যাম ব্যস্তানুপাতিক ম্যাম, প্রেসার বাড়লে ভলিউম
ইনভার্সলি
কমে যাবে।
প্রপোর্শনাল, রাইট? যদি তাহলে ভলিউম বেড়ে যায়, প্রেসার উইল ডিক্রিজ, and if volume decreases, the pressure will increase, right? তাই তো? So একটা বাড়লে আর একটা কমবে, এটাই তো? So
Yes, ma'am.
now both the atria are, ভলিউমটা যেহেতু বেশি ছিল, so they have received blood. Now both the atria are filled with blood. So now they are already having very high pressure. কি তাই তো? And this time when the atria is in the systole, the ventricles will be in the diastole condition. So the diastole হচ্ছে, so before that, before the ventricular diastole, they had released blood during their systole, right? So now in this time when the atrial systole is starting, so in that time both the chambers are filled with blood, so very high pressure inside the chamber, atrial chambers, both the chambers are having very high pressure due to blood, huge amount of blood is there. Now what will happen? If they start to squeeze, if they start to contract, contraction মানে কি হবে? The volume will increase or decrease? কি হবে inside the atria?
ম্যাম ডিক্রিজ হয়ে যাবে,
The volume will decrease. So automatically the pressure of blood inside the chamber will go higher. Already the pressure was high, and due to contraction, due to decrease in the volume of the chamber, the pressure inside the chamber will go up. কি তাই তো?
Yes, ma'am.
এবার এই রকম একটা কন্ডিশনে অটোমেটিক্যালি ব্লাড will try to go out of the chamber, right? blood उस chamber से बाहर आने की कोशिश करेगी. Now how it will come out?
Ma'am,
what? हाँ बोलो.
it's a bit confusing.
क्या हुआ बोलो, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है दिवा, क्या बोल रहे हो?
थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है.
क्या confusion हो रहा है? अभी atrial systole से पहले सुनो, atrial systole से just before atria, both the atria were in diastole, तो diastole के टाइम पे both the atrial chambers are filled with blood. इतना समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो कौन सी जगह से आया है? राइट एट्रियम में सुपीरियर वेना केवा, इंफीरियर वेना केवा एंड कोरोनरी साइनस से CO2 रिच ब्लड आ गया, और फिर लेफ्ट एट्रियम में थ्रू पल्मोनरी वेन ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड आ गया है फ्रॉम लंग्स, राइट? नाउ बोथ द चेम्बर्स आर ऑलरेडी फिल्ड विथ ब्लड, एंड एज वी नो दैट as per Boyle's law, whenever there is a decrease in volume, there is increase in pressure, right? Pressure and volume are having inverse relation. So in that time, in that situation, when both the chambers are squeezing, contracting, they are in the systole condition. So automatically the pressure inside the atria will be higher. और भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, right? And that time the blood will try to come out of the chamber. তাই তো প্রেসার দিলে তো সেটা বেরিয়ে আসার চেষ্টা করবে তো। So what are the possible routes? So it cannot go inside the coronary sinus. It is already blocked. I mean normally coronary sinus पे नहीं जा सकता, ठीक है? It cannot go in the superior vena cava. Why? Superior vena cava is much above the level of the heart. मतलब वो ऊपर तक जाने का उतना प्रेशर नहीं होता है कि आप ब्लड पंप होके ऊपर चला जाएगा, इतना भी प्रेशर नहीं है, ठीक है? So it cannot go to the superior vena cava. It cannot go to the coronary sinus. So there are only two routes which are and it also it cannot go to the pulmonary artery. Okay, all these routes are blocked. So there is no scope. So only possible routes are that inferior vena cava and both the ventricles. Okay, so due to high pressure, what will happen? Blood will try to flow back. The moment it will try to go back to the inferior vena cava, the venous valve which is situated at the junction of the inferior vena cava and right atrium, that will get closed. কি বললাম বোঝা গেল কথাটা? The moment blood will try to go back to inferior vena cava, কারণ ওটা তো নিচে it is located down below the level of the heart, so very high chance that it will go inside. Okay, so it will try to go inside, but the venous valve will get shut. As we know, valves always open in one particular direction, and if there is any movement in the opposite direction, it will get shut, right? Done. So the only possible routes are now, so this route is already blocked. Okay, so this এখানে যে venous valve টা রয়েছে, this venous valve এখানে, so that route is, the moment it is hitting, blood is hitting this way, it has got closed. So the blood will hit these valves, the atrioventricular valves, the AV valves will be hit. Hit করলে কি হবে? This valve will open this way. এই valveটা দিকে এই valveটা দিকে খুলে যাবে. So there will be a steep movement. By the time এখানে কি হয়েছে? When the atria were having diastole in the previous cycle, atriaতে যখন diastole হচ্ছিল, then the ventricles were in the systole condition, so they have expelled their blood, so automatically they are having no blood here, right? Very less or no blood. So here the blood pressure is very less. In the ventricle the blood pressure is very less and atria is having very high blood pressure. So the atrial chamber is having very high pressure while the ventricular chambers are having very low pressure, right? So depending on the pressure gradient, owing to the pressure gradient, so there will be a steep filling of the ventricular chamber. So blood will be squeezed out of the atrial chamber and atrial systole is done. কি এটা ক্লিয়ার হলো কিনা বলো? Is it clear to all of you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So মানে গল্পটা হচ্ছে when atria is in the systole, ventricle is in the diastole, right? So when it is diastole, so when the ventricles are in diastole condition, so automatically they are expanding. So already previous cycle they were having systole, so they have already released the blood. Now they are in the diastole, so already blood নেই সেখানে. So due to that, once again their volume is expanding, so once again the pressure is falling there, so the atria are having very high pressure of blood, ventricles are having very low blood pressure. So depending on a steep pressure gradient, blood is moving from atria to ventricle through the atrioventricular valve. Atrial systole is complete. In the next cycle, so when atrial systole is complete, both the atria have released their blood. So now the pressure is very less there, right? Now the pressure in the atrial chambers are very less. In that case, they start to expand. If they start to relax or they are in the diastole condition, so when the atrial muscles or atrial chambers are relaxing, that means atrial chamber in volume is increasing. So in that condition, and by the time when atria had already in the diastole condition, all the blood vessels, the pulmonary veins, the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus, they are loaded with blood. Okay. So they are having very high pressure in blood, and atria are, both the atria are having very low pressure of blood. So depending on the pressure gradient, blood will start to flow inside the atria. Now for pulmonary artery, for superior vena cava, for coronary sinus, there is no such problem. Simply from according to gravity, from upside to downside, there will be a filling, shifting of blood from those vessels into atria, right? But what about the inferior vena cava? So this time the inferior vena cava having such a high pressure that it will open up the venous valve, and the venous valve will open in that side. So from inferior vena cava, blood will shift in this. So from superior vena cava, blood is coming, from coronary sinus, blood is coming, from pulmonary veins, blood is coming, and also from inferior vena cava, blood is coming. So in that way, from all the routes, blood is received by both the atria. Atrial diastole is complete. Bolo, এই পুরো ইভেন্টটা বুঝতে কারো কোথাও প্রবলেম হচ্ছে? Anyone having any issue?
Ma'am, can you please explain the last part again, please, ma'am?
আরেকবার एक्सप्लेन করুন ম্যাম।
লাস্ট পার্ট में क्या समझ में नहीं आया? হ্যাঁ বিল্লদল কি বলেছো বলো, বুঝতে পারছি না।
ম্যাম একটু আরেকবার एक्सप्लेन করুন ম্যাম, আমার নেটওয়ার্কটা চলে যাচ্ছিল, বারবার করে আসতে হচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, যেটা আমি বললাম যে কি করব বাবা নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম হলো, হ্যাঁ বলছি সেটা হচ্ছে যে when the atrial systole was complete, now the atrial diastole is going on. So during atrial systole, both the atria had released blood. So now the pressure inside the atrial chamber is very less. In that case, they are expanding. So once again, the volume is increasing, the pressure is falling more. आरो pressure कम जाचे, वहाँ पे pressure और भी कम होता जा रहा है. By the time when the atria are in, both the atria are in diastole condition, this time the pulmonary veins, both the vena cava and coronary sinus, all are gorged or filled with blood. So atria having very low pressure, all the blood vessels having very high pressure. Then in which direction blood will flow? From the blood vessels inside the atria. So atria will receive blood. Now for superior vena cava, coronary sinus and pulmonary veins, there is no problem. Simply from upside to downside, or even in the same level, from high pressure to low pressure, blood will flow. But what about the inferior vena cava? Inferior vena cava is situated below the level, right? It is carrying blood from below the level of the heart. So it is very difficult. But since the pressure is very high inside the inferior vena cava, so it will open up the venous valve. কি বলেছিলাম, venous valve-টা কোন দিকে খোলে? From inferior vena cava to right atrium, right? So inside the right atrium, the venous valve will open and blood will go inside the right atrium. So in that way, both the atria will receive blood from both the vena cava, coronary sinus and pulmonary veins. So in that way atrial diastole is complete. এইটা বুঝতে কারো প্রবলেম হলো কিনা বলো? Till that everyone okay with this? Hello? Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to all of you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now if we see, so atrial and ventricular events, so in atria we find that atrial systole takes 0.1 second and atrial diastole takes 0.7 second. তাহলে এই দুটোকে অ্যাড করলে কত হবে? 0.1 plus 0.7
Ma'am, 0.8.
0.8. So দেখো total atrial cycle time বললাম 0.8 second, right? So atrial events are very simple. Now come to the ventricular systole. Sorry, ventricular events. Now we will start with the ventricular systole. Now think just before the ventricular systole, both the ventricles were in the diastole condition, right? Right? So they have already, similarly, just like the atria, so they have received blood from both the atria, so both the ventricles, the right ventricle from the right atrium, left ventricle from the left atrium. So they have received blood. Now both the ventricles are filled with blood. So the blood pressure inside the ventricular chambers are very high. In that condition, and this time the atria, when the ventricles were in the systole condition, the atria were in the, when the ventricles were in the diastole condition, that time the atria were in the systole condition, right? So the atria are having very low pressure because they have already released the blood, right? Now the ventricles are having very high blood pressure. The atria are having very low blood pressure. क्योंकि सारा ब्लड एट्रिया से अभी वेंट्रिकल में आ गया है. ड्यू टू दैट, जेहेतु एट्रिया থেকে ভেন্ট্রিকলে ব্লাডটা চলে এসেছে, তাহলে এট্রিয়াতে ব্লাডের প্রেসার ইজ ভেরি লেস, ventricles are having very high pressure. In that time, if both the ventricles start to contract, so the volume will decrease. So inside the atria, the pressure of blood will go up. আরো বেড়ে যাবে, তাই তো? So both the ventricles will have very high pressure, even more pressure, because already these are filled with blood. Very high blood pressure is there, and this time due to their contraction, both the chamber volume is decreased. So a decrease in volume will increase the blood pressure, and the atria are having very low pressure now. তাহলে কোন দিকে ব্লাডটা, even the ventricular chambers also try to release the blood. এবার ব্লাডটা কোন কোন রুটে বের হতে পারে? In which route the blood may go? See, so the blood can try to go out in which direction? So the blood will try to, ধরো এইখান দিয়ে বেরোনোর চেষ্টা করতে পারে, তাহলে এই চেম্বারটাতে it is filled with blood, তো তাহলে blood can try to go up to this side. আচ্ছা, আমাকে আরেকটা ফ্রেশ ডায়াগ্রাম ড্র করতে দাও, otherwise you will get totally confused. Okay, so let me draw the diagram so that you can get to know. So now যেটা আমি বলছিলাম, so this is the ventricular chambers. Okay, so now both the chambers are, now these chambers, এইখানে আমাদের কি আছে? AV valves, right? and এইখান থেকে কি বেরিয়েছে? পালমোনারি আর্টারি, আর এদিক থেকে কি গেছে? aorta, right? So aorta is coming out. এইবার what we see here, now we get to see that এইখানে আমাদের কি আছে? সেমিলিউনার ভালভস আছে, আছে তো? কি রয়েছে?
Yes, ma'am, আছে.
হ্যাঁ, তো now see, these chambers are having very low pressure. Moreover, they are expanding due to their diastole. And these two chambers are already having very high pressure of blood, and in that condition they are contracting. So blood can move back to this way, or blood can move to this way. তাই তো এই দুটো রুট পসিবল তো, right? So blood can either move back to atria crossing the AV valves, or blood may go out of the ventricles from right ventricle through pulmonary artery and from left ventricle through aorta. Now the problem is, so the easy option is to go back to atria, but the problem is the moment blood will try to go back to atria, these AV valves will get shut and they will create a huge sound. There will be a very prominent, খুব জোরে দরজা বন্ধ করলে যেরকম shut হয়, just like shutting door with a very high force, high intensity একটা closer হবে, and that actually causes, first there is a heart sound, and that we call first heart sound. Remember, এইগুলো খুব question আসে যে where the first heart sound is there. So you will experience or you will hear the first heart sound. So first heart sound at the beginning of the atrial systole. Hello? So this atrial chambers are closed now. তাহলে এবার ব্লাডটা কোন দিকে মুভ করবে? Atrioventricular route block হয়ে গেছে, তাহলে ব্লাডটা কোন দিকে মুভ করবে? Now the only possible route is to go through this side, right? কি হ্যাঁ কি না, তাই তো?
Yes, ma'am.
But it will take some time, few moments. What are the few moments? মানে ধরো এই সব জায়গা থেকে, for every part blood needs to be here, এই পুরো পার্টটা থেকে যেখান থেকে ব্লাড আছে টোটালটা এসে, so the entire blood need to roll into these pipes, aortaর মধ্যে and pulmonary artery মধ্যে, so it will need some time to go inside. Okay, so for the time being, when these valves are closed and these semilunar valves, they are still not open, এখনো এতটা ওপেন হয়নি, so there is a time comes where all the sides, all the roots of the ventricle are closed now. So this time, so since there is no change in the length, okay, no change in volume, so blood no blood is coming inside the heart, no blood is going outside the heart, so bloodটা বাইরেও যাচ্ছে না আবার ভেতরেও আসছে না, so in that time there will be no change in the length of the cardiac muscles, and this time still the contraction is going on, and that we call isometric contraction. Isometric means when there is no change in the length of the cardiac muscle, especially ventricular muscles. So why we call it that isometric contraction period? Now these two roots are blocked, even these two roots are yet to open, এখনো open হয়নি, মাঝের টাইমটাতে when the contraction is going on, so no blood is entering the ventricles, no blood is going outside the ventricles, so there is no change in the length of the ventricular muscles while the contraction is still going on, সেই জন্য এটাকে বলা হয় isometric contraction. মানে হচ্ছে simply you can take the example, जैसे कि तुम सोचो कि अपने रूम में आ रहे हो, ठीक है, ধরো বাড়ির বাইরে থেকে তুমি ঘরে ঢুকছো, so the moment you enter the room and you start to মানে কি বলবো, open the doors and windows throughout your house, so time will be taken, কিছুটা টাইম লাগবে তো, তুমি বাড়িতে ঢুকলে তারপরে তুমি আস্তে আস্তে করে সব জানলা দরজাগুলো খুলছো, টাইম লাগবে কিছুটা,
লাগবে,
that time your main door is closed. You have opened the door, you have shut the door. Now you are inside the room, but not the other doors and windows are open. So age a time, the time you are taking, so সেই টাইমটার মতোই, just like that. So the time which is taken for the whole blood from the whole ventricular chamber to roll inside the pulmonary artery or aorta, এই যে টাইমটা, this time taken, in that time the whole chamber is actually acting as a closed chamber, and in the closed chamber no blood is entering, no blood is exiting. So no entry, no exit. That's why there is no change in the length of the ventricular muscles. So we call it as isometric contraction period. At the end of the isometric contraction period, what will happen? Now enough amount of blood is actually inside this. এই পুরো এটা ধরো pulmonary artery ভেতরটায় or aorta ভেতরে, from all over the ventricles inside, the pressure is very high. So blood is actually gorged inside these two vessels. এই vessel দুটোর মধ্যে blood ঢুকে গেছে. Now এই যে valveটা রয়েছে semilunar valves, so on the other side there is no blood, and here there is a huge blood. So due to contraction, what will happen? These two valves will open this way. এই valveটা এদিকে খুলবে, এই valveটা এদিকে খুলবে. So both these semilunar valves will open. Okay, তো তারা ওপেন করে গেল বাইরের দিকে. Both the semilunar valves will open into the outside direction. So this valve will open this way, this valve will open this way. So blood will come out, and there will be a steep release. Okay, so there will be a steep release due to high pressure. Initially there will be very fast release of blood. So that we call এই যে isometric contraction এর পরে the part we call fast ejection period. Ejection মানে হচ্ছে বেরিয়ে যাওয়া, exit কে বলা হয় ejection. Fast ejection period. Fast কথাটার মানে দেখো, এটা হচ্ছে মানে তাড়াতাড়ি বোঝাচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ, র্যাপিড বোঝা যেত. ফার্স্ট ইজেকশন পিরিয়ড কোথাও লেখা থাকে র্যাপিড ইজেকশন পিরিয়ড, সেম. র্যাপিড ইজেকশন বা ফার্স্ট ইজেকশন মানে উইদিন less time more amount of blood will be released. Now within a while huge amount of blood is released from both the ventricles. So gradually the pressure inside the ventricles will be slightly less, right? কারণ ব্লাডটা তো বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে, কি তাই তো? So next, after that, since most of the blood is already out, the last part of the ventricular systole will be, now the blood is less amount of blood is coming out and it is taking more time. So last part টাকে বলা হয় slow ejection period. Slow ejection period. Initially when the pressure was very high, so within a very short period of time huge amount of blood is released as soon as the semilunar valves open outside. Okay, after that when maximum blood has been out of the chambers, now less amount of blood is left in both the chambers. Now it will be released in slightly slower process, and we call it as, that is, low amount of blood is released in a longer time. So we call it as slow ejection period. এই অবধি সবার ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে কিনা বলো? বলো, is it clear to all of you or anyone having any issue? ventricular systole টা বোঝা গেছে সবার? হ্যালো,
yes ma'am, বোঝা গেছে ma'am.
very good. So this is done. Now এই ventricular systole এর টোটাল টাইমটা লাগে, তাহলে ventricular systole তো 8 মিনিট টাইম পাবো, তো আমরা ventricular systole এর জন্য টোটাল টাইম পাই হচ্ছে 0.3 সেকেন্ড. ওকে, তো সেই 0.3 সেকেন্ডের মধ্যে এই যে দুটো পার্ট রয়েছে, এই আইসোমেট্রিক কন্ট্রাকশন পিরিয়ড যেটা বললাম, এইটার জন্য আমাদের টাইম লাগে হচ্ছে 0.05 সেকেন্ড। 0.05 সেকেন্ড। এই ফার্স্ট ইজেকশন পিরিয়ডটার জন্য কতটা টাইম লাগে? ফার্স্ট ইজেকশন পিরিয়ডের জন্য টাইম লাগে 0.11 সেকেন্ড। हाँ
Nothing, ma'am.
क्या बोलो, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा जी।
कुछ नहीं, ma'am.
अच्छा, okay, and this slow ejection period, it will take a little more time, so it takes 0.14 second. এবার একটুখানি যোগ করে ফেলো, দেখো অ্যাড করো তো। 0.05 সেকেন্ড প্লাস 0.11 সেকেন্ড প্লাস 0.14 সেকেন্ড, অ্যাড করো দেখি কত হয়। কত হচ্ছে?
ম্যাম 0.3 সেকেন্ড। 0.3 সেকেন্ড।
0.30 হয়েছে?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
সো ইজেকশন পিরিয়ডটা টোটাল টাইম হচ্ছে 0.25, তাই তো? আর আইসোমেট্রিক কন্ট্রাকশন পিরিয়ডটা হচ্ছে 0.05। তাহলে দেখো দুটোকে অ্যাড করে দিলে কত হচ্ছে? 0.3 হচ্ছে, তাই তো? 0.30 মানে 0.3 সেকেন্ড। তাহলে এইবার বলো তো ভেন্ট্রিকুলার সিস্টোলের জন্য কতটা টাইম লেফট? টোটাল টাইম ইজ 0.8, তার মধ্যে 0.3 is already used for ventricular systole. So how much time is left for ventricular systole? 0.5. Very good. So let's come to the last part of the cardiac cycle, that is ventricular systole. Now think that now the ventricles,
ম্যাম
হ্যাঁ বলো।
ম্যাম ম্যাম গুলিয়ে গেল ম্যাম। ভেন্ট্রিকুলার সিস্টোলের জন্য ম্যাম 0.3 সেকেন্ড তো।
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না বাবা, একটু গ্রুপে কোশ্চেনটা করো না গো, আমি কিচ্ছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
ম্যাম দাঁড়ান ম্যাম,
একটু গ্রুপে কোশ্চেনটা করো। এনিওয়ান প্লিজ রাইট দ্য কোশ্চেন ইন দ্য গ্রুপ। আই এম নট অ্যাট অল বিন এবল টু সি মানে হিয়ার এনিথিং। একটু গ্রুপে লেখো, আমি দেখে নিচ্ছি, দেখে বলে দিচ্ছি। নাও we will come to the ventricular okay, so now come to the ventricular diastole. Now just before the ventricular systole, the entire amount of blood has been released from the ventricles. Now the ventricles are having very less blood, so automatically the pressure is very low inside the ventricles. In that time ventricles are expanding, so increasing their volume, right? So ventricular volume is increasing, so automatically the pressure inside ventricles are already still falling, aro beshi pressure fall korche, right? So in that time, and when the ventricles are having systole, ventricular systole 0.3 সেকেন্ড, এই তো অ্যাড করলে তোমরা যেটা, সেটা তো আমরা এতক্ষণ ভেন্ট্রিকুলার সিস্টোলই পড়লাম।
ওকে ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ,
গুলিয়ে গেছিল।
so now it's time for ventricular diastole. So this time when the ventricles will be in the systole position, automatically the atria will be in the when the ventricles will be in diastole, the atria will be in systole, right? So during ventricular systole it has released all the blood, right? Now the ventricles are having very less pressure of blood, and since these are expanding, the chambers are expanding, volume increasing means pressure is still falling, aro beshi pressure ta fall korche. So automatically now go to the once again go to this chamber. Now what will happen? Now these chambers, they are expanding this way. তাহলে কি হবে? নাও সি, এইবার কি হচ্ছে ধরো, দ্য আপার পার্ট, এই যে সেমিলিউনার ভালভ যেটা বলছিলাম, দ্য আপার পার্ট অফ দ্য সেমিলিউনার ভালভ, মানে জাস্ট অ্যাবভ দ্য সেমিলিউনার ভালভ, হিয়ার এই পার্টটা, দিস পার্টস, ওকে, দিস এরিয়াস আর হ্যাভিং ভেরি হাই প্রেশার, কারণ ব্লাড ইজ স্টিল দেয়ার, right? And just below the semilunar valves, this part is having very low pressure, কারণ এখানে কিন্তু already bloodটা বেরিয়ে গেছে. So as the pressure is falling, okay, এই জায়গাটাতে প্রেসারটা ফল করছে, so blood will try to roll back. কোন দিক থেকে কোন দিকে রোল ব্যাক করবে? কোন দিক থেকে কোন দিকে রোল ব্যাক করবে?
ম্যাম উপরের দিক থেকে নিচের দিকে ম্যাম।
Try to roll back to this
Ma'am, from
side.
above to low, the low side.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, from above part to the lower part, ma'am.
सुनाई नहीं दिया जगह क्या बोल
Semilunar.
रहे हो? हाँ बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो? सुनाई नहीं दिया
Ma'am.
मुझे.
Ma'am, can you hear now?
हाँ हाँ बोलो अभी.
Ma'am, the blood will try to flow from the above of semilunar
Exactly.
valve to the below part.
Exactly. So blood will try to roll back. এদিকে ব্লাডটা রোল ব্যাক করার চেষ্টা করবে. And এই যে ফার্স্ট পার্টটা, so just at the beginning of the ventricular diastole there will be a brief period. Already diastole has started. So blood will try to roll back, but this semilunar valve, when the blood is trying to roll back, already diastole cholche, diastole is already started. So within few seconds, so blood will try to roll back and go back to this side, but it can't, na semilunar valves je muhurte blood will hit here, the semilunar valves will get closed, and again there will be a very high intensity sound. Okay, so that we call second heart sound. Okay, second heart sound. So these are very important. Okay, এই হার্ট সাউন্ড গুলো কিন্তু স্পেসিফিক পজিশন জানতে চাওয়া হয় at which period. So from the beginning of the ventricular diastole and the time of the second heart sound. So it happens, যেমন ventricular diastole বললাম যে first heart sound happens at the beginning of the ventricular systole. That is not the case for the second heart sound. Second heart sound appears after one event is already completed in the ventricular diastole. So just এই যে টাইমিংটা, the timing which is required from the beginning of the beginning of ventricular diastole and second heart sound, এই দুটোর মাঝে যে টাইমটা, the time which is taken between these two, এই দুটোর মাঝে যে টাইমটা, এই টাইমটাকে বলা হয়, এই মাঝের টাইমটাকে বলা হচ্ছে, that we call protodiastolic period. Protodiastolic period. So remember, second heart sound appears at the end of the protodiastolic period, not at the beginning of ventricular systole. মাথায় রাখবে. It is a very tricky question. Ventricular diastole का first part जो होता है, that is protodiastolic period. So second heart sound always appears at the end of the protodiastolic period, not at the beginning of ventricular diastole. মনে থাকবে কথাটা? ventricular diastole starting এই হয় না, but end of protodiastolic period, which is the first part of the ventricular diastole. So by the time your second heart sound is done, now once again come to this figure. Now these valves are closed. Already these ventricles atria are already filled with blood. So now they are creating, now এইখানে প্রেসারটা খুব কম, আর এইখানে প্রেশারটা ভেরি হাই, সো অটোমেটিক্যালি it will try to এই যে blood যেটা আছে atrial blood will try to open up these AV valves, but still this pressure difference between the atria and ventricle is still not that much intense so that the AV valves can be opened. এখনো এতটাও প্রেসারটা কমেনি, still though the pressure is very low but still it is not that much low to open up the valve. এখনো ভালভটা খুলে ফেলার মতো টাইম হয়নি। So once again both all the routes are closed. The semilunar valves are already closed. The AV valves are yet to open. এখনো open হয়নি, still it is not open. So once again the ventricles are acting as a closed chamber. So they are closed chamber, and in that condition no blood is coming inside, no blood is going outside. So once again there is no change in the length of the cardiac muscle, and in that case when the muscles are relaxing we call it as isometric relaxation period. Just like the contraction, isometric relaxation period. এবার ওই জানলা দরজা বন্ধ করার যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিয়েছিলাম, think of it. So you are going out of your house, তাহলে ঘরের ভেতরের জানলা দরজাগুলো বন্ধ করছো, and finally you will close the main door. Okay, so when you start closing the doors, windows, and after a while you will just go outside and finally after a while you will open the main door. So till the time all these are closed, right? So you have closed all these doors and windows inside your home and you are yet to open the main door. So এই যে টাইমটা, so that time all this entire room is a closed chamber. তো সেই টাইমটাকে বলা হয় isometric relaxation period. And these after this isometric relaxation period, what will happen? By the time the pressure is very low, it has become such a low pressure that these valves will open. এইবার valve দুটো open করে গেল। এতটাই pressure, since the pressure difference is so much that both these AV valves will open. Okay, these AV valves will open. এইবার open হলেই কি হবে? So initially there will be huge amount of blood is coming, so that we call, so both the ventricles are filled with a very high speed flow. So we call it as fast rapid filling phase. Rapid filling phase. Got it? Fast rapid filling phase. Okay, so huge amount of blood is coming to this both the ventricles while filling is going on. So once the filling is done, মানে অনেকটা filling হয়ে গেছে, so the process will suddenly become slightly slow, and we call it the next phase of the filling, we call it as slow filling phase. কখনোই slow rapid লিখে দেবে না, তাহলে তো অক্সিমোরন হয়ে গেল। slow filling phase. And then এই যে বললাম প্রোটোডায়াস্টলিক পিরিয়ডটা বলেছিলাম, এই প্রোটোডায়াস্টলিক পিরিয়ডের টাইম লাগে হচ্ছে 0.08 সেকেন্ড। ওকে, তারপরে আমাদের কি এসেছিল আইসোমেট্রিক রিল্যাক্সেশন পিরিয়ড, এটার টাইম লেগেছে হচ্ছে 0.04 সেকেন্ড। ওকে, এর পরের যে টাইমটা বললাম ফার্স্ট র্যাপিড ফিলিং ফেজ, এইটার টাইম লেগেছে আমাদের 0.113 সেকেন্ড। অল্প টাইমে প্রচুর ব্লাড আসছে, লেস টাইম মোর ব্লাড, সো উই কল ইট অ্যাজ দ্যাটস ওয়াই উই কল ইট অ্যাজ আ র্যাপিড ফিলিং। ওকে, এরপরেরটা হচ্ছে স্লো, দ্যাট মিনস লেস, কম্পারেটিভলি লেস ব্লাড ইন কম্পারেটিভলি মোর টাইম। তো মোর টাইম তো মুখে বলা যাবে না, so we need to know what is the time, that is 0.167 second. So this This is the time taken. And tarpore the residue amount of blood which is still left inside the atria and still it has not come to the ventricle. Once again the flow will be slightly faster, and that it will complete the filling that we call last rapid filling phase, that is 1 second. এইবার খুব ভালো করে যোগ করো তো, অ্যাড করো তো 0.08, 0.04, 0.113, 0.11167, 0.1 যোগ করে দেখো দেখি কত হচ্ছে। একটু যোগ করো, বলে দিলাম টাইমগুলো। 0.08 প্লাস 0.04 প্লাস 0.113 প্লাস 0.167 প্লাস 0.1 কত রে? কত?
ম্যাম করছি ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ কত হয়েছে? পারা গেছে কি?
না ম্যাম।
ক্যালকুলেট করে দেখবে টোটালটাকে, যদি আমরা এখানে এর মধ্যে আইসোমেট্রিক
Ma'am,
রিল্যাক্সেশন
0.466 seconds.
নো, হাউ কাম?
No.
How come you are making a mistake here?
Okay, ma'am, let me do it again.
See, this is the thing. Now you add 0.08, 04, 0.113. If you, acha, let me get into this. এই পেজটায় ফাঁকা আছে, লিখি আমরা। তাহলে ফার্স্টে বলেছি 0.08, তারপরেরটা বলেছি 0.04, then 0.113, then 0.167, then 0.1. তাহলে কত হবে?
ম্যাম 0.5।
Ma'am, 0.5.
ভেরি গুড। 0.500 মানে হচ্ছে 0.5। তাহলে দেখো তো টোটাল ভেন্ট্রিকুলার ডায়াস্টলটা কমপ্লিট হলো কিনা? হয়েছে?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, ওটা টোটাল 0.8 হয়ে যাচ্ছে ভেন্ট্রিকুলার সিস্টোলার ডায়াস্টল মিলিয়ে।
হলো তো? তাহলে এইবার আমরা ভেন্ট্রিকুলার ইভেন্টটা ধরতে গেলে, তাহলে ভেন্ট্রিকুলার সিস্টল is 0.3, ventricular diastole is 0.5. এইবার একটা খুব ভালো করে দেখো, এই যে লাস্ট ওয়ান যেটা আমরা অ্যাড করলাম, এই যে লাস্ট র্যাপিড ফিলিং ফেজ which is having 0.1 সেকেন্ড, এইটার সাথে অ্যাট্রিয়াল যে সিস্টোলটা আমরা দেখিয়েছিলাম এই 0.1 সেকেন্ড কোইনসাইড করছে কিনা? কোইনসাইড করছে? The last 1 second, sorry, 0.1 second of the last rapid filling phase, that is the last part of ventricular diastole, coincides with atrial systole. ঠিক আছে? এইবার দেখো এই যে coming to the atrial systole, sorry, atrial diastole কতটা টাইম লেগেছিল? 0.4 সেকেন্ড, এই সরি 0.7 সেকেন্ড, রাইট? তো তার মধ্যে নিয়ম অনুযায়ী we know that when the atria are in the diastole, the ventricles should be in systole. তাহলে হিসাব মতো তো ventricular diastole, ventricular systole-টাও তো 0.7 সেকেন্ড হওয়ার কথা, হয়নি তো? তো তার মধ্যে আমরা দেখেছি কি 0.3টা না হয় ম্যাচ করে গেল, 0.7 এর এগেইনস্টে 0.3 ম্যাচ করে গেল, রাইট? যে 0.7 second the ventricular the atria are in diastole condition, within that for 0.3 second the ventricles are in systole condition. But what about the left 0.4 second? দেখো for that 0.4 second all the four chambers are into diastole condition. কি বললাম, কথাটা বোঝা গেল?
না ম্যাম।
See, the ventricular, আমি ফার্স্টে কি বলেছিলাম, that when the atria is in systole, the ventricle will be in diastole and vice versa. তাই তো? One chamber is systole, the other chamber is in diastole, right? But তাহলে সেইটা যদি হয়, তাহলে আমাদের 0.1 সেকেন্ড atrial systole coincide with 0.1 সেকেন্ড of ventricular diastole coincide করেছে তো, ventricular diastole এর একটা পার্টের সাথে coincide করলো। So the remaining 0.7 second is for atrial diastole, right? কি তাই তো? তাহলে হিসেব মতো as per that logic the ventricular systole should have been 0.7 second. Yes or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But it is not happening. So out
Yes.
of 0.7 second you will find for 0.3 second ventricles were in systole condition. আমরা তো দেখেছি ventricular systole is for 0.3 second তো. So what about that 0.4 second? আমার কোশ্চেনটা তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো? Out of 0.7 second, 0.3 is for ventricular diastole, sorry, systole, so fine. But what about that 0.4 second? The atria is already in the diastole, ventricles are also in the diastole though. কি হ্যাঁ কি না? এখনো ক্লিয়ার হয়নি? Anyone having problem? দেখো, okay, fine. যেটা দেখছি, ওকে, গো টু দ্য পেজ যেখানে ক্যালকুলেশনটা আমি লিখেছি, পেজটাই দেখো। তোমাদেরকে যে ক্যালকুলেশনটা আমি দেখালাম 0.5 ক্যালকুলেশনটা হয়েছে না, সেখান থেকে 0.1টা বাদ দাও, লাস্ট র্যাপিড ফিলিং ফেজটা বাদ দাও, তাহলে কত হচ্ছে বাকি ক্যালকুলেশনটা?
ম্যাম 0.4।
0.4, so that 0.4 is a part of ventricular systole to, sorry, ventricular diastole to. So that within that 0.4 second the atria are also in the diastole condition, the ventricles are also in the diastole condition, right? কি হ্যাঁ কি না?
ম্যাম সব কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না, সব ভুলেই যাচ্ছে এবার।
যখন তোমার when the atria are in systole, the ventricles are in diastole. When the atria in diastole, ventricles in systole. এটাই তো হওয়ার কথা, এটাই আমি বলেছি, this is the logic. So when the atria in systole, it is coinciding with ventricular diastole 0.1, the last rapid filling phase. So this logic goes fine. Okay, point atrial systole, ventricular diastole, মিটে গেল। When the atria are in diastole, তাহলে it is remaining diastole condition for 0.7 second. So as per the logic, the ventricles should be in systole for 0.7 second though. তার মধ্যে we can match up to 0.3 second. 0.3 for 0.3 second, atria in diastole, ventricle in systole, matching. But what about the rest 0.4 second? For that 0.4 second, the atria are already having their systole তো ওই out of 0.7 আমি 0.3 তো হিসেব মিলে গেছে। For the last 0.4 second, so the atria are also in the systole, sorry, diastole. Also the ventricular diastole, the protodiastolic phase, the isometric relaxation period, the first rapid filling phase, the slow filling phase, all these are happening within the same 0.4 second. So for 0.4 second, all the 4 chambers are in diastole condition, and that we call diastole of the whole heart. That we call diastole of the whole heart. এই যে 0.4 second, for 0.4 second, all the chambers are into diastole. So we call it as diastole. Sorry. So we call this as diastole of the whole heart. এটা কিন্তু খুব জিজ্ঞেস করে, diastole of whole heart. That means all the 4 chambers are in diastole condition. For এটার জন্য কতটা টাইম আমাদের লাগছে? 0.4 সেকেন্ড. For 0.4 second diastole of whole heart, all the 4 chambers are in diastolic condition. Why? Because it is very very important to receive blood. Heart to একটা ছোট chamber, obviously it will take less time to release blood, but during diastole you need to receive blood from each and every cell and tissue, every part of your body, right? So automatically it will take more time. So for this time, for 0.4 second, that is the 50% of the time is given to ensure proper receiving, so that from every part of body blood is perfectly coming back to heart. To ensure that for the 50% time of the cardiac cycle is dedicated to receive blood from all over body. That's why for atrial events or ventricular events, in both the case you will find diastole is more for more time, systole is for less time. So it will always take more time to receive blood than to release blood. Blood ta release korte kom time nebe, blood ta receive korte beshi time nebe. So that is our cardiac cycle. Okay, chalo, thank you all. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you all. You may leave now.